That's the checkered flag on the 2024 CSCS season, and I got a chance to talk to Rochester House of Boost and what it's like to drive this 700 horsepower Saab with time attack.
Today was good. We were having some fun earlier in the day. We put a passenger seat in the car and took some friends out for rides. We were down in the minute 13 range. Car was going fast. Decided to up the fun a bit more and then did max attack and unfortunately broke second gear in the car. But overall, running the car easy today and we got some good lap times, so I can't complain. Their reactions, you'll see them on my YouTube channel, but they're pretty impressed. This car has a lot of grip, and again, we were running a bit low on power today, so it was all grip, all cornering speed. Everyone's getting thrown around a bit, surprised at how a car can move that way, but it's a lot of fun. My way of building this car, since it's a Saab, is just designing all my own stuff. So it might be a case of me designing my own gears and changing things around in the gearbox to my own liking, because again, I'm also the driver, so that's just the way I do things. But the solution will be something that's not on the market, but that's what made this car this car. It's always been, I drive the car to my liking, to the way I normally drive, and then I adjust to suit my driving style. So by doing that, I kind of adjust the car to my style and then drive a bit different and then adjust to that, and it sort of creeps into a really fast setup. So maybe a two-door. I actually have a two-door.
Oh, you do? Okay.
So I don't know. If it rains money, I'll build that car as well. But this chassis is actually one of the best that Saab had. It's sort of shared across GM, but it's the stiffest, it's the lightest. This car is actually only 1065 kilograms as it sits. So I just do this again. It's a good chassis, and then the good engine fits in it. So I can't really want any more. 19 lap time, so we're just shy of the lap record for time attack at that track by 0.8 of a second. So again, that's a lot to be said for, that's a lot for a car that has a 3-speed gearbox basically, because I delete gears, I change things around, I do weird stuff. So really happy with that. But this car is really set up for high speed, high downforce tracks like Mossport. And then for stuff like this today, we're just kind of having fun, but we're still going very fast, which is really, you know, that's the best of both worlds.
Driver, mechanic, and technical support all in one.
Thank you. Appreciate that.